Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to another week of Ryan Runs Boulder. I'm Ryan Lawrence with eXp Realty, and I was born and raised here in beautiful Boulder, Colorado, and I would love to help you buy or sell your next home in the area. If this is your first time to the channel, each week we make a new video about a listing or a neighborhood or some feature of the city that I think you'll find interesting. So please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And today we have a really special property behind me right here. This is 2967 Middle Fork Road in Boulder. This property features 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, and roughly 4,500 square feet of living space, and it's all on a 1.2 acre lot. So I'm really excited to show it to you. So follow me this way. All right, come on inside here. So I love that initial entry. It has this kind of Mediterranean vibe to it, which I think is fun with the fountain there. But we come inside and this is where our journey begins. So this is the formal living room. I love this fireplace. Like, how cool is this? These are big blocks of limestone here, but I just love that the big curve with this, you know, it kind of looks like a, I don't know, like a spaceship or something, but anyway, I think that's just really cool. It kind of looks like a big eye. This is, yeah, just a great space. So we have the big vaulted ceilings. I like the big beams there and the wood paneling as you go up. You have big skylights there. I love these modern fixtures they have, the gold with the gold finish. Very cool. And then we head over into the kitchen, and I want to point out it's, you know, just a really bright white modern feel to it. These are light cabinets from Germany that are a really premium touch, and I love how they have this sort of white light reveal that kind of makes the whole room glow, which is a nice touch. And yeah, we have our sink here, and then we have a lot of cleverly hidden things here. So there's our fridge. And then check this out, we've got the big freezer here as well. There's that. We do have a 2-zone climate control wine cooler there, depending on, we've got either 41 degrees or 54 degrees, so depending on what you're trying to keep at that temperature. And then also we have, this is one of the built-in cabinet features. This one here is also pretty cool. Look at this, the pantry. Look at this, watch. I like how the shelving is presented to you, so that's a pretty slick touch. And one other thing we want to show you that's hidden is this. Here is our, you're looking at that, it's like, oh, it's 2 drawers, but dishwasher, so pretty slick. Yeah, we do have our induction cooktop here. We got the vent hood. I do like, they have a Dolce & Gabbana toaster, which is pretty slick, and it has this little cover to cover it up if you want. And then around the bend, we do have more of a pantry. We do have the Miele espresso maker built right in, and we have a fridge here as well for your vitamins and supplements and things like that. And I do like how it's open to the top. So we have the skylight right there, letting plenty of light in. So this is a really nice touch. You'll also see as we go, they do have these hand troweled plaster walls that we've seen in other properties, but that's kind of all over the property. And then also these are variable width oak floors, and I like how they have the wooden pegs in here too, but that's a really cool looking touch. It feels very rustic. Another thing I like about the kitchen is this eat-in bar right here. So I like the contrast. It has this big single piece of wood with the live edge here, but I love the contrast of all the bright white, very modern, and then you have this very naturey, earthy feel element, so it's nice and cozy. But yeah, that's a great spot, and you can see there's just shelving and little cubbies everywhere. So if you're into art and things like that, this has so many opportunities for you to showcase your art. We'll show you the backyard a little later, but this big door slides open right here, and you head straight to an outdoor dining area. So that's a nice convenient touch. You have your indoor-outdoor dining spaces that flow together so seamlessly. But speaking of indoor dining, follow me over here, and we are going to look at the formal dining room. So that's right off of the kitchen right here. In the formal dining room, there is a wet bar, and that has a really slick, look at that faucet here. This is pretty fun. Get ready. Look at this. Pretty cool. Look, it's like a little tornado inside of there, which is really, really something. But anyway, so we have the wet bar, you got your shelving for all your glassware, and then yeah, a good sized table here. I like the chandelier. We have the built-in cabinetry here to set your plates and everything. We have a window out to the front yard, and then we'll go straight ahead. This is the sitting room, relaxation room, and this is really cool. So I like how it has the pitched roof here. We've got the big window out to the front yard again, and you can actually see there is a fountain that you saw at the beginning, and I love how it has that nice reflection up there. So that's a nice lighting feature that kind of moves around as the sun moves. And yeah, just a great space here. Love those floors. And then I love these arched doorways. There's a few of these throughout the property, and these I think are really, really fun. So from this room now we're back at the front entry again. Now we're gonna go around the bend to, this is the primary bedroom kind of wing, but there's a couple other bedrooms too. So this is a coat closet here, and then I wanna show you our first half bath in the property. I love this freestanding pedestal sink here, and look at this sink here. This is pretty cool. We just have this slick little control, like a little joystick, and I like these little mirrors built in. And yeah, just a nice, great little powder room here. So now we'll go this way to the first bedroom on this level. They have it staged currently as an office, but it could definitely be a bedroom. You have a big window, you have your closet right there. I do think these handles, we'll see a few of these throughout the property, but these are really cool with this sort of this textured feel is just really, it feels really nice. So, and it looks nice too. So yeah, this is the first bedroom, and then we head into the Jack and Jill bath that these two bedrooms share. And I love, yeah, this big sink here. This is really cool with the drain built in the middle. And then also check out how cool this is here. So this is, yeah, this medicine cabinet slash lit mirror, and you can control the brightness and the color temperature, and yeah, pretty slick feature. And then also we do have what they're calling now a wet room, which is you have the freestanding tub here, but you also have the shower, and it also has you know, a nice window to the outside. I love this tile work here, but this is kind of fun that it's the shower and the tub all in one room. So follow me now. This is the second bedroom on this level, and this is a good size as well. We have the big bed here. We've got windows again facing out. This is, we face south here, so you get some good southern exposure. I like that fun little lighting detail. And then this is a pretty cool wallpaper with these shimmering leaves. And then also we do have the crown molding up there, so that is a nice touch. Back into the hallway. I do love this kind of look here. They do have some cool art here. Look, Cool Jazz, one of the colors, that's a fun name. And I like this look, how it's framed with this arched doorway here. So like I said, there's a few of those throughout the property, but I think that's a really nice touch. So now we're gonna show you the primary bedroom suite right here. So here we go inside the primary bedroom suite, and this, yeah, man, it's a good sized room. So we've got the gas fireplace, the TV built in. I love this tile work here, very nice and classy. And also this, behind the bed here, this wall is covered with this really interesting wallpaper that I'm not really sure. It looks a little wickery in a way, but it is, you know, just wallpaper. It just has a really cool look to it. So I wanted to point that out. And now we'll head into the walk-in closet slash dressing room. So that's around the corner here. And this is a pretty cool space as well. So yeah, plenty of you know, cabinets and drawers, lots of hanging space, and it also has a big window to the outside. So it has some nice natural light streaming in at all times. So, and I like how it has the beam there as well that carries the in from the living room. So pretty nice touch. And now this is the primary bath. So it does have its own laundry, stackable washer and dryer, Miele appliances there. We've got a closet, and there's the water closet right here. And this is cool. It does have radiant in-floor heat built in here, so it's nice and toasty. Gotta take my word for it on that one. And then we have the dual vanity. It has those same mirrors that you can you know, light and turn on and off, and that's a pretty nice touch. I do like these sconces, these wall sconces built in. These are really nice and cool fixtures there. And then we have a towel warmer as well. And then this is another wet room here. And this one's a little fancier. This does have a steam control built in as well. But you have your big shower heads up above. We have the freestanding tub. And this is a Waterworks brand. And this, you can, with that ledge on the back, you can kind of set candles there, whatever it is. But I like how it still has that freestanding tub effect from the front. So I think that's a nice touch. And I like how, yeah, the tile is everywhere, all over the ceiling and the big window to the outside. Okay, so yeah, what a cool primary bathroom, huh? So now we're gonna show you the other half of the house that has a pretty cool party trick up its sleeve. So follow me this way into the backyard. We'll show you that first. And we head out here. So yeah, so this is the backyard. So the pool, as you can see, is not currently in service, but again, pools are fairly seasonal here in Colorado. So some people have them year round, but not everybody. So, but it has the hot tub, the pool. They do have an outdoor shower there. And then again, this is all on a 1.2 acre lot. So yeah, it has plenty of room for entertaining. You've got your diving board there. I love all the potted plants. And then all these big sandstone pavers too. This is just a really nice touch out here. And then we have our big dining area. It does have a heat lamp up there, ceiling fan to keep things moving. We have our grill, and this is another cool part of the house. So we do have like the main part, but then they do have the other half is actually it can be closed off if you want, and it can be its own apartment. We want to show you this way. This that part of the house has its own kind of area here. So they have their own seating area. We've got the babbling brook right here. I love listening to the sound of the water. Can't beat it. I want this at my house someday. But anyway, so yeah, we have the seating area, and then we head over here, and this is where we enter the guest apartment wing of the property. So it does have its own entrance that you can come into right here. And how cool is this? I love when you first come in, this wall, that's so cool. With all the lighting built in and all the, if they have a lot of nice art, so if you have a lot of nice art, this wall looks really good. If you have art like mine, there's room to improve. But anyway, so we have the TV built in, that cool tile work. I love that fireplace there. We have our little breakfast nook, and then here is the kitchen. So this has a gas range. We have a sub-zero fridge. We've got the microwave built in. Good sized sink with this cool sort of articulating faucet here, and I like how it's mounted on the wall there. How to turn the water on and off. And I think also these light fixtures are pretty cool here as well. They kind of look like something from the sea or something. They have a fun look to them. And then you can see this entryway too. These big panels. It's like mullioned, like a mullioned glass wall here, which I think is really nice. And also this wood detail is really cool. Here we are in the bedroom. So we have, like the built-in cabinets on either side there. We have a big king-size bed. We have that same cool wood detail that they had on the other side. They carried it over. And then we do also have a good-sized walk-in closet there, and even more of that cool, it's kind of like beech wood, like it has a driftwood kind of look to it. And I like that hanging art piece as well. So pretty nice touches here. And then we also have the window, that looks out to the seating area there. And now we'll head straight ahead to the bathroom. So follow me over here. Watch your step here, a little bump. And this bathroom is really, really cool. So I love this sink with this, it's like stone, very, very cool. We've got the two medicine cabinets here with all the glass that lights up and everything. And then we have, how cool is this? This wood element is just really, really cool. I love this wavy wood. But very fun. And then we have the shower here with some great tile work as well. So just a nice space, huh? So what's cool about this portion of the house is it has its own entry, and then you can actually block off this portion, which is the kitchen, kind of living area and bedroom. That can be its own kind of thing. But you can also have it where you can block it off here from this part of the house. And then that way you have all of these other features that we're about to show you. So this is laundry right here. And then we will flip around right here. And this is the, this can be a study or office for the main house, or if you're gonna block off this whole part of the house, then this is you know, sort of another living room or another study or office for whoever's on this side. I do like how it has the doggy shower here. This is the garage right here. So if you come back from a crazy day with your dogs in the mud, you walk right in and you can hose them off right here. I like all these, yeah, the stonework here. It has another one of those rustic wood elements to it, and I love the vault here. We've got the skylights above. Yeah, just a really, really slick touch here. So, and look at that. I mean, the chrome fan is pretty cool. So that's this room, and then follow me and we go up the stairs here. And here we are upstairs. So this bedroom up here, it does have its own full bath, and this is a really, really cool room. I love these river rock details down here. And then also this dual vanity is so cool. This is marble, and it has this live edge, which is a really, really nice touch. And we have those same medicine cabinets that have all the lighting built in, very cool. This tile work here is also really fun. It's kind of like woven together. We do have the skylight here. We've got some big windows facing out to the north. I like, yeah, this big freestanding tub here, bright white, very classy. My favorite part of this bathroom though is probably the shower. So look at this, we have this big wall of glass, and then yeah, we come inside here. I love this tile work here. This river rock bottom is really cool. These rocks feel like a massage on your feet, so that's a nice touch. We've got the Kohler appliances, or the Kohler fixtures rather, and then I like this seating area here as well, so you can come and well, you know, do whatever you want to do while you're sitting there. So anyway, so now we'll go around the bend to the bedroom. On the way to the bedroom, just look at this cool little landing. I love how you can have your art here. You've got a little spotlight right on it, and also has a hamper built right in as well, but a pretty nice touch. And here's the bedroom. So we've got the king size bed. I think these closets are really cool. They look like those nesting dolls that the one stacks and fits inside of the other. But yeah, we've got the skylight elements, these big windows facing out to the south, and yeah, just a good sized room here. Okay, and we're back on the main level, and before we head outside, I just wanted to show you this. This is the laundry zone, and this is really cool. I love this tile work here, really, really nice. And then we have our, yeah, stackable washer dryer again, Miele appliances. We got our counter here and our sink and cabinets and all kinds of things. Got all kinds of space for your folding and stuff. I do like these hooks here too that fold out. Those are pretty cool. And we have a little doggy wash there. And then, believe it or not, there's actually also a little half bath hidden. I think this is if you're out at the pool and stuff, you can come in and then you have this nice little bathroom for when you're hanging out at the pool. So anyway, that is a nice touch. So now we're gonna head outside and we'll wrap things up. All right, everybody. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour today, huh? What a cool house. The other nice thing about it is just that we're only about 6 minutes away from the edge of Boulder. So you have coffee shops and restaurants just right there. And also we're pretty close to Lyons, which is a really, really cute city to the north of Boulder. And then the mountains are right here. So it has this kind of country mountain retreat feel to it, but you have the city amenities very close by. If you would like to see this property or any other properties in Boulder, I would love to be the agent that helps you out. So please call, text, or email me and we can chat. If there's any other parts of the city you'd like to see a video of, please leave that down in the comments below. I'd love to make a video of that for you. If you liked the video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. And until then, I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you next time.